Here is the sign for happen. Okay, so both hands are going to have the same hand shape. Index fingers, aha! Okay, so put them down here. The palms are facing up, the pointer parts are pointing forward. Now we're going to flip them over. Happen. Happen. From the side, happen. Other side, happen. And from the front, happen. Okay, so index fingers, start like this, palms up, flip them over, roll them over, happen. All right, let's sign together. Let's do it 3 times from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Happen, happen, happen. Quick review. Index fingers, put them down here, right here. Roll them over. Nice, quick, smooth motion. Happen. All right, we just talked about how to sign happen.